Hello everyone, welcome to Helpful Solution Tutorials and welcome to our new tutorial on OBS Studio, a free and open source software for video recording and live streaming. OBS Studio is a favorite among content creators, gamers, and professionals for its flexibility and powerful features. In this guide, we'll take you through the basics of OBS Studio, from setting up to configuring your first live streaming or recording. You'll learn how to add sources like your webcam and screen captures, use scenes to manage different streaming setups, and adjust settings for optional videos and studios or audio quality. Whether you're looking to start live streaming, recording tutorials like we're doing right now, or creating content for a platform like YouTube or Twitch, OBS Studio offers the tool you need to produce high quality video content. So let's get started and discover how OBS Studio can elevate your video production and streamlining your capability. So as usual, the first thing that you'll need to do is to go to the official website of OBS Studio, and then you'll have to download the software on your device. So it depends on your software. Is it an iOS, a Windows, or a Linux? So choose the perfect feed and download it. After that, you'll have access to the platform. So as you can see, this is the tool. This is OBS Studio. So here you have your scenes where you can add your scenes. You can add a scene, you can delete a scene, you can change the background color. Here you can go back and go further. Here you have your sources. So for now we don't have any sources, so you can click on the plus button to add some. Here you have your audio mixer. So this is for the desktop audio, and this is for the microphone audio. So you can for example, decide if you want to get desktop audios or you want to keep the audio only from your microphone. Now here we have the scene transition. So you have fade and cut. So you can cut the scene and you can make or add the transition of fade in. Now you can add the duration of each scene. From the plus, you can add many scenes right here. So you can add a swipe, a slide, a stinger, a fade to color, a luma wipe. We have here our controller. So when you click on start streaming, you'll be able to start streaming, for example, your gaming or your tutorials. You can start recording, screen recording, you can start virtual camera, you can start studio mode, settings, and you can exit the panel of control. Now here we have file, we can see our recordings, remix recording, the setting, etc. When you click on the edit button, you'll be able to copy some projects and past projects. Here we have the view, so we can reset our UI, we can see the full screen interface, and here we have the scene list mode, so a list or a grid. Now clicking again on view, you'll be able to show the dock toolbar, the source toolbar, source icon, status bar, etc. Now here are the docks, so you can lock the docks, the full height dock, reset the dock, and here you can show the scenes, the source, the audio mixer, those options right here. Here you have your profile, so you can add a new profile, you can duplicate a profile, you can rename your existing profile, or you can remove it, and you can import and export data from your profile. Here you have the scene collection, so you can add a new collection, you can duplicate and rename it, you can remove, import, and export scenes collections. And here you can check for missing fields. You have more tools like the auto configuration, the captions, automatic scene switcher, etc. And here is your help center. So let's get started. So now, for example, if you click on studio mode, let's click on studio mode, you'll be able to see a preview of your scene right here and the program, the scene right here. So here you can add a quick transition between both your scenes. So you click on transition. On those three icons, you can duplicate the scene and the source. So for example, let's click on start streaming. When you click on start streaming, it'll say that you haven't added any video sources yet, so you will only be outputting blank screen. So if you're sure, you click on yes. So you can add the source by clicking on the plus icon under the sources. Let's go on the source and click on add. What you need to do is to go here and click on scene. Click on scene, you'll be able to add a new scene. So you click on add an existing scene if you want, or you can click on create a scene. So after that, you click on OK, it will be added to the list of sources. But for now, we can't do that. So let's just click back right here and let's click, for example, on image. So you have to create a new image, click OK, and then click on OK. And here you can browse an image directly from your device. So let's go, for example, here and choose the logo. Click on logo, click on open. This is an image that we can add. So when you click OK, the image will be added here to the preview of your scene. So you can change, for example, the size like this. You can move it right here. Let's make it much bigger to keep only the logo showing on the scene like this. So for example, let's say this is our first scene. Now we can add many other things. So if you click on here, you'll be able to add audio input capture, audio output capture, and you can browse. So if you want to click on browse, click on OK, and then here you can choose a local file if you want, or you can add a link to get a file. Now if we click on local file, you click on browse, then you'll be able to choose, for example, videos from your device. Click on this and click on OK, and just like that you added a video right here. So this is a video. So now what you'll need to do, you have, for example, a logo here, a video. We're just messing around. So here you can, for example, click on the fade to black. You'll be able to see the scene and how you wanna change it. It will be shown here. So this is the fade, how you wanna fade it. It can be like this, or it can be like this one. Now if you wanna add a transition, you can add a cut. So click on cut. You can add the fade to black. Now let's remove fade to black and click on fade. You'll be able to add more options. If you click now on cuts, let's play the video. It is playing right here. Now this is how you add the video and an image. We can add multiple other styles. So for example, right here you can add, I said, an image slideshow, a media source, a scene, a text, and video capture device. So if you want to add a text, you click on, for example, text. You'll be able to add your text from here. Click on OK, and then it will take you right here. You'll have to write your text, then you can change the how we say that, you can select the font. So we have many fonts. For example, let's say this is for Arabic written. It will be shown like this. So for example, let's write anything, and this is how it's gonna look like. Now you can add many other options. When you scroll down, you'll be able to add the text transformation, so upper cases, lower cases, or the start case. Now if you click on this, only the starter case will be in the upper written, and the others are in the lower written. Now you can add a color for your text, so you click on select the color. Let's choose this color, for example. Now here we have the vertical alignment, so you can add, is it in the button or the center, etc. So after choosing or selecting all the features, you click on OK, and just like that you added a text. So you can add it on your screen right here. It will be shown right here. As you can see, this is your text. So let's put it, for example, on here. You can make it smaller, you can change the size like this, and let's add it. Now it will be shown on here if you want to. So this is how you can edit on using your overview or preview right here. Now if you want to start recording a tutorial, you click on start recording. For now we're already recording using another tool. So if I click, it will be cut. So you just click on start recording and it will be starting recording. When you click on start streaming right here, you'll have to open the setting to enter the URL and the stream key in the stream tab. So you click on open the setting and add your link where you wanna stream the platform. So those were the most important features. So thank you so much for watching the video, and see you next time.